euro and yen trade on the 23rd of March. This is my order when the price has gone, and this is the amount I make. So on the daily time frame, or even further the weekly time frame, we have a high over here. So I identified this zone is a key level because they're going to a lot of trading activities. So but we have this high, and on the 20th of March the price has broken above the zone, but this is where the most of the trader will get caught by the fake breakout, because there are a lot of traders over here. They are stuck. They want to exit their position, and the buyers over here, they take profit. So I'm expecting a reversal pattern on the lower time frame. More specifically, I use H1. I can see there's a pattern, there's a wedge, a raising wedge over here, and I identify the low and the high. You can see there's a low and the high over here. When the price reaching this area, I can see that the price hasn't make a new high. It's been rejected. So this is, I identified the zone. Over here, like a resistance or the support, because price won't break the high, and so if the price wants to reversal, it needs to break this low, and you can see this also a pattern, a raising wedge pattern. The price has broken the trend line, break out the structure of the wedge, and in order to confirm the bearish reversal, it needs to break this high, this low. So you can enter over here, and I take the risk. Position or the sale position, selling orders is by the demand and supply strategy. So as I said earlier, we have a high over here which make a resistance. So if I want the price to reversal, so I need to looking for some candlestick reversal on H4 time frame. First of all, I can see that there's a double candles equally closing, opening and closing at the same time. So it's like the psychology of the market is that the buyers, they are very aggressive, but after that followed by the sellers also reject. So you can see these two candles are exactly the same. And another, like for example, if you miss this opportunity, you can also wait for others. For me, when I go to H1 time frame, I can see that there's a reversal, obviously a reversal over here, like a bearish, yes, a bearish engulfing candle. There's a bullish candle, and the bearish candle is closing, engulfing the body, the twice a lot of the previous candle. So it's one of the main factor, that's why I enter early.